your question, why party list? Well, of course, she mentioned she had to be practical. She had to also look at the numbers, no? It's going to be a tight senatorial race. And she feels na the party list campaign might be an easier way to get to Congress.
Sabi nga niya, kausap ng mga nung kabilang programa namin kanina, Kong Erin, si Senadora Laila, no? At sabi nga niya, sleepless night daw sa pangungulit mo.
So ikaw pala tagakulit, Kong eh.
Pero successful
I think yung mahirap doon, I think yung talagang the dam started to break when I said I'm offering the second lot.
Yes. Sige.
Yes, thank you, Jovi, sa tanong mo kasi that's exactly what I wanted to ask si Attorney Tanyada. Pero since tapos na yan, doon na lang po ako sa minention nyo kanina, or tinanong din ni Jovi actually, kung meron kayong kaalyansa. So wala pa sa ngayon, pero are there plans?
Well, right now in the senatorial campaign, of course, we're waiting for the call of Senator Risa to formally announce the official candidacy of the slate of the coalition. So yun ang iniintay. Ngayon, kung sinong madadagdag doon, bahala na rin si Senator Risa na magde-decide, no? Dahil united naman kami na suportahan yung tatlo so wala namang problema doon.